Hello, YouTube family. It's like 7:20 in the morning here in Oklahoma, and I got some stuff right here I'm growing. Two of those is lemon balm. The other one is thyme. I have no idea what I grew right there, but it's growing, and I remember it being spices. Yeah. Those are going to get pothos plants, and we're going to sell them for Christmas. Yep. I'm excited. Yeah. And that's just something that's holding some stuff up for me for right now. Yeah. All right. See you guys later.